People won't respect you until you remove these 4 habits. Start today and watch how your life transforms. Number 1. Stop complaining. People won't respect you if you're constantly complaining. Complaining makes you a victim. Real men take responsibility for their situation. If you don't like something, change it. Number 2. Stop seeking approval. If you're always looking for validation, you're weak. Marcus Aurelius said that the opinion of others doesn't matter. Focus on your own standards, not theirs. Number 3. Stop being passive. Waiting for life to happen won't get you anywhere. Be proactive, take action, because that's the only way to create change. Stoicism teaches us, control what you can, and let go of the rest. Number 4. Stop making excuses. Excuses breed mediocrity. Men of value don't blame circumstances. They take the hard road and rise above it. Eliminate weakness from your life and start taking action. If these Stoic principles have inspired you to change your approach to life, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more lessons on Stoicism and personal development. Your support helps me create more valuable content. Share in the comments which principle resonated with you the most and how you plan to apply it. Remember, change starts with you.